This is the beginning of the mountain. Hey, you know me. Welcome back to another video, y'all. I actually forgot my camera, so I'm actually recording on my phone. That's kind of stupid, but today we're doing something a little bit different, y'all. Today we're going hiking, and I got introduce yourself. Yeah, I got her with me, and I don't know, we just gonna see the scenery and everything else, because I've never been hiking before. I hope I don't die. If y'all don't see this video, y'all know I just died. So yeah, call 911 for help in an emergency. This looks like a marsh. If I drop my phone over here, it's done. I'm not ever getting it back, and y'all never see from me again. Let me check. Oh my gosh. Y'all, it looks like we're in the jungle right now. Oh my gosh. This is Jurassic Park. Jurassic World 4. Oh my gosh. You got something to say? No. Okay. Look. No, y'all notice. Hold up. Y'all notice we haven't even been that far. Like, we just walked 5 seconds away from the thing, and I'm already recording. Look at this rock. Hold up. Look at that rock, y'all. I have never seen a rock that beautiful and big before. That's a boulder. Oh my gosh. Y'all, look at that tree behind me. I know it's a regular tree that just fell, but like, that looks so cool. Today, you're with nature, you know me. Because it's nature time right now. Oh. Y'all, I'm glad I came here. Look at this. Hey, look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I can see that for real. But look at that. That looks like Niagara Falls. It's like or like I'm in Rio de Janeiro right now. Wow. If this isn't good content, I don't know what is, y'all. Hit that like, comment, subscribe, bro. One false move and I could die right here. I think that's just the thrill of it, for real. Like, and if you, oh shoot, my bad. If you look over here, this is this great rock. It's almost like that rock from the Lion King. Oh no. Yeah, I'm not about to do that over here. You say we're gonna climb rocks like this? Yeah. I had to get you saying that though, cause I don't know. Maybe I was just tripping the first time. I thought I saw a snake over there, but it was really just the branches and the roots. Look, see? Oh shoot. What did I get myself into, y'all? What did I get myself into? Y'all, bro, I think we just entered China from here, bro. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is so amazing. I've literally never seen a scenery so good in Maryland, bro. This is Maryland. This is Maryland, right? This is Maryland, right?
It's like Maryland, Virginia.
Okay. Shoot. My gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at those rocks right there. I know it's not the best quality because I don't have that, it's shot in 4K on iPhone. It's kind of a joke right now, but I know if I had my actual camera set up, it would be way better. And we about to go past the bridge right there. Are you sure? I'm gonna see y'all when I.
We gotta go that way.
Oh, we're about to go. Oh, we.
Okay.
Y'all, we made it to the bridge now. We're on the bridge, like I promised. Yeah. See, Look, if y'all can see over there. Look at that. I don't know what that is exactly. It looks like it's another bridge. No. That's mini Mount Everest right there. See? And then this is the Roman Coliseum. Like now. Oh yeah, I was listening to some Bad Bunny on the car, you know. She had me doing it because like she was like, bro, you gotta listen to some, you know, Hispanic music. And I'm like, okay, you know, I was trying to put her on to that, Lil TJ and all that stuff, you know, Polo G. I had to put her on to that. So I'm gonna put her on to that after, once we leave. Cause you're gonna get a taste of, you know, our type of music. Alright? I mean, I didn't mean to say it like that. I might edit that. Y'all like my hair? I mean, I don't know. Type up F in the comments if y'all think my hair is bad. But like, you know, I got some cornrows. It was a while ago. And I got this headband on because, you know, my forehead's kind of big right now. It's stretching my head out. I look like Berleezy. You know, all respect to that man. But like, come on, man. My forehead, they did my forehead too disrespectful. Huh?
You know how to get
No, you're lost?
No.
You're lost?
No.
Please don't tell me you're lost for real though, because I don't know how to get back either.
I'm just playing.
Shoot, whole time we walking in a straight line. That's an inside joke between us. Dang, I like your hair though.
Thank you.
It's nice. You know, it's my favorite color, orange. Y'all know that.
This is not orange.
What? What color is that thing?
It was red.
Alright, is this orange or red? What color is that?
It's fading away.
Because I know for a fact that is not orange. It's like a dark orange. Like maybe a dark
it's faded
away. Red, maybe. Yeah. But it's close enough, you know? It's still my favorite color. It's not gonna change. Like, what are y'all talking about?
I'm gonna do like brown.
Alright. Light brown. Alright. We gonna see. And I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the next destination. And I don't know what it is because I've never been here. So she's gonna tell us.
No.
This trail is called Billy Goat Trail. Yes. Y'all know how goats travel, y'all. Well, you know, they be traveling. They travel on mountains. That's why they call them the goat, you know? I don't know. But yeah. I don't know. Are you scared? Are you scared? We're going into the haunted woods. Are you scared? Do I need to hold your hand? Oh!
No.
I think that's what I get for that. I don't know.
So then what we're looking at.
Oh. Look at this, y'all. Tell me this doesn't look like a haunted foreign Japanese forest, y'all. Oh, for real?
So we know we're on, like, in the right path.
You're kidding, right?
For real?
Oh, shoot. So this is the only way to get back home.
No.
Hey, comment if y'all want to see more videos with her. Could probably do some challenges or something. Yeah, is that what you want to do? Okay. Y'all, we gotta climb up this. This is the beginning of the mountain. Almost slipped. It's like no. Okay, I gotta figure out how to hold this camera because this is my phone. It's so awkward because you can't switch the positions that you're holding it in. Am I in the frame? Yeah. Okay, because I can't really tell. And look, I'm touching this moss. Okay, yeah. I'm touching this moss, you know, like it's like that. Yeah, I'm hoping I don't fall. Oh yeah, where do we go next?
Down here. What do you have to say?
I don't know. What do you want me to say?
Here. Let's go.
Okay. It's your turn to say something.
What's up,
I like apples. Say no.
okay, wait. I'm supposed to go. We need to get down there.
Oh shoot. I'll talk to y'all once I get down there, if I do. Y'all know how they call life alert, right? You alright? Dang, be careful. We're climbing a mountain after all. That wasn't funny. I don't know why she laughed. Alright, this is parkour, y'all. It's rock climbing 101. First rule of rock climbing, don't tell anybody you rock climb. Day two of my survival. I'm running out of food and water and resources. And I'm running out of breath. It's like I'm transforming into a wildlife expert. Wildlife. Almost like Wild Man Jack. Coming soon to a theater near you. Now look at this tree though. It's not really a tree, but it looks almost like it's a branch, but like an insanely long branch. Guys, we got a problem a little bit. Oh yeah, look, check me out right now. But anyways, we have a little problem though, cause somebody got. Oh, for real? I mean, we gotta go down here, y'all. Are you alright? Yeah. Don't hurt yourself. It's been 5 months, 7 years, and 3 days. Somebody's been here. Somebody's been here. I think I'm turning into Wild Man Jack. I'm beginning to gain an accent.
We're gonna be like, what? Guys, we got Tarzan in here.
They're gonna be like, what's going on in the mountain? Hey, this bag is heavy, y'all.
Yeah, and I was
expected to be that.
And I was carrying it the whole time.
Look, I pressed it out with Don't ask how that got.
They're like, don't leave us behind.
Yeah, I don't know. I was sweating earlier, but my headband stopped a lot of the bleeding. But anyways, we're back. Yeah, I'm about to eat boba. I mean, drink boba. Boba tea.
Try it.
Okay, I am. Dang. Hold up, you just gotta itadakimasu. Oh, you just poke it in there. That's cool. All right. It's good.
It is?
I'm chewing on it. It's like, whoa. It feels like, it tastes like an oil, like, but it's like
Tell
an
them
Orbeez.
what flavor you got.
Oh, I got passion fruit.
And I got mango.
Discover new hit music on Hot 99.5.
This is Ed Sheeran. This is my new song, Bad Habits.
It's almost like a gummy. It's good though.
And it shows them the pizza you got.
Oh yeah. I almost forgot about it. What's it called? Potomac Pizza. Oh shoot, that's the wrong way. Yeah, I want to see. Yep. The pizza looking good.
We also had gotten Starbucks.
Yeah, we got Starbucks too. We got the matcha. They actually spelled my name right. My bad. Did I spit on you?
No.
That doesn't do anything. Everything's good over here.
And tell them we're in the middle of nowhere.
We're in the middle of nowhere, guys, and we're on an empty tank of gas. Look at you that. I don't even know what I'm saying. Would you look at that? Well, at least we're eating good, right? It's like, no.
Yeah.
And did you want to say something?
No.
Oh. All right. Did you want something? Did you want to eat something?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat. Okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna see if I'm gonna be in another vlog.
Yeah. Yeah, you should be. I think you should be. For real. I mean, it's up to them though.
Yeah.
I mean, are they really messing with you or not? Like, what's the vibes, y'all?
Yeah.
Let me know. Let me know in the comments down below.
Yeah.
Are you still recording? I thought. Dang.
Okay, so you're done?
Yeah, I thought you was done.
Okay,
already.
guys, follow me on Instagram.
Oh yeah. You shout your stuff out. My bad. Look at me. I'm a bad person.
Just put it in the description.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Because I don't even remember my own Instagram.
It's like, all right.